As most of you know by now, iOS 14 dropped September 16th of 2020, and we got a lot of new features that are very helpful. And spirit of keeping things short today, we're going to just go over apps, app placement, widgets, as well as the new way that you can get incoming phone calls so it doesn't take up your whole screen. So let's get into it. So if you can see, if you hold on to an app, hold down and click edit homepage, you'll get that jiggle. You can click the page buttons at the bottom and see how I can scroll and see all my pages here. And then you just uncheck the ones you don't want to show visibly. So I'll uncheck 2 here, a couple more. And then you go ahead and go back to the page like normal, hit done. Hit this notification when you first see it. And then those apps update and you only have the pages visible that you had. Let me go ahead and try that one more time. Let me edit homepage. Click down low, and let me go ahead and knock a few of these off as well, just to give it more of an apparent look that a lot has changed. Okay, got those, and then we'll hit done. So as you can see now, this is the only page that I have, and all my apps are still there. They're just here in the app library on the side, so that's a really cool feature. I know everyone's experienced this before, but have you ever just been scrolling, and boom, you get a random call from LeBron? That's tough. So, it stops everything you're doing, but you want to keep going with your day and continue on what you're doing. So I'll keep scrolling, end the call, blah, 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 blah. And then boom, another call completely takes up the entire screen. It's very annoying. So let me show you how to fix that. Go here, swipe down, go ahead and click on settings, and then you'll scroll down to the phone. There it is. You'll click there, and you can see incoming calls full screen. We'll go ahead and change that to banner. Boom. We'll head back to doing what we were doing. Okay, back to scrolling the web, just web surfing like normal, whatever you're doing, Instagram, Facebook. The thing is now, you don't get that huge banner taking up your whole screen. See here, you get that little small notification, you click and make it full screen. Very nice. Next, we will go ahead and go over the widgets in general. So there's a lot of cool things you can do. So as you can see, it got all my apps pages blocked out. So hold on, give me 1 second. I'll go ahead and pull that back up. Let me open up a few more app pages just so we can get a more in-depth look. There we go, done. All right, and also, so the pages at the bottom, you can scroll through like this now, which is kind of convenient when you have a lot of pages like I previously had, but I just use the app page now. So it's a lot simpler when you can just search for exactly what you're looking for. Let me go ahead and turn these back off. Boom, all right, and done. Okay, perfect. So very simple. And then, like I said, got the app pages here. I think it's much simpler to just look for your specific app through here because they break these down into these categories, games, movies, utilities. So it's very simple to find what you're looking for, especially, if you don't know exactly what folder's in, but you're looking for a game, go to game folder. Really simple. And then over here, you still have that widget headquarters that we had before in iOS 13. But I'm gonna find myself using this page a lot less now just because we have the widgets on the front page. All right, now let's get into the apps and the widgets. So you can hold down on anywhere on your screen now, or you can hold down on the app and click edit home screen to get that jiggle going. You'll hit the plus in the top corner, and now you can see all your widgets, potential widgets, I guess. So here's Siri app suggestions, which I find myself using quite often before. So let's go ahead and click this one. So what it'll do is automatically add to your home page, and then you can go ahead and click the minus to remove it if you don't like it. Very simple. And then you can use these to move the apps and widgets around just like any other app on your home page. It's very easy to understand and comprehend. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like on the video. It really helps my channel out a ton. And subscribe if you want to see more of this. I'll be doing videos about home renovation as well, just to give you an idea of some things that you could possibly do to your home that could help, as well as more tech videos like this coming in the future, as well as some photo video stuff. So subscribe if you want to see more, and please leave a like on the video. Thanks.